Hi, I'm David.
Hi, I'm Matthew.
I am Sam.
And we are the cousins. So this is our second video after you gave us 5 likes. Thank you so much for the 5 likes. Say, Matthew, nakakuha tayo 5 likes.
Thank you guys for liking.
Pero girls, kumakain ako.
Let's see who's here. Oh, si Ram. So this video is supposed to be delayed, but we changed our mind of delaying it. So we don't delay it. We didn't delay it today because you gave us 5 likes. Thank you so much for giving us 5 likes. I'm so happy for my 5 likes. I am grateful for my 5 likes. So thank you so much, and thank you for all of your support you gave us. Oh, ako yan! Thank you for
Di ba?
So
Tagalog.
Tagalog na lang tayo, Tagdish. So thank you very much for your support. We love you. Say I love you. Say
I love you.
okay. Sorry, I cannot edit, but I am editing this to my cousin because my cousin know how to edit. And we love you very much, and thank you for supporting our small channel.
Oh, may bill ka?
Yes.
Wala.
So guys, I post not daily, but I will post every 1 week. Because of my routine.
Oh my God, that's the first child.
Where? Oh, the first child.
Go start the first child.
Bro, help me. Someone's gonna shoot. Bro,
We need flashlight.
No. No. We'll do that later. Anyways, guys, if you want to play with me and with Matthew and if you want to play with us and me and Matthew and Sab, you can totally join us. Just add Matthew. By the way, hold on, guys. Loki. What the fuck? Bro, who is that?
Let's go heal the deer.
You have the what?
Bandage.
Oh, heal that bit. Ooh, yuck.
What's a yak? That's our friend, boy.
Naban ako ng aso. Morning na, Bobby.
I only need the 1 bandage left.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh,
Are you okay?
Definitely, I'm not okay. I'm getting chased by 16 wolves. And I found a cave. And guys, I low-key to change our channel name due to our channel name is very childish and ugly. So we're changing it to So Matthew is kinda shy to say it, but I'm gonna call my channel the best cousins. Is that okay to you guys?
Yes.
Don't mind Matthew. He's very lazy. He don't like you guys. Guys, who's your bias? Just
What did you say,
kidding.
bro?
Guys, who's your bias? I'm just kidding. But who is? If y'all spam Matthew, I'll take off. You will be banned from our channel. Yeah, totally. Bro, someone help me! Bro, please! On my live.
Panipot! Meron akong panipot!
Yes, quest complete!
What? What do you mean?
Yung ano, yung quest ko sa ano ba, sa role? Ba?
Oh, tapos na ako dun.
Nasa ka ba ba?
And thank you for all of my support. And I low-key don't care about fuck.
Bro, stop eating it!
Bro, ang daming bandages dito.
Saan ka? Saan ka?
Church.
Saan ka?
Kuya, asan ka?
May problema, ang daming morning star.
Ano morning star?
One hit, patay na ako. Pag may morning star ka.
Ay, alam ko yung trick.
Ano?
Basta.
Basta.
Ay, oo nga lang.
Di ba? Kuha mo isa dyan. Magpapatay na ako ng animals parcels.
Boom! Bandage! Got! Bandage! Bandage!
Chill mo, bilis. Habang, bro, that's stupid. I need a body food.
Oh, ganyan?
Bro, I hate this game so much.
Why are you bro?
So, thank you. Bro, Sab, get some food, please. I'm starving.
Well, hinilp ko na yung ano. Si dear.
Uy, hanap ka na ng food.
Nakahanap.
Nagpapatay ako ng animals kasi naghanap ako ng ano. Teddy bears pala, di ba? Ay. But, I need to, dali. Maligayang araw! Ako po si Leonard. At please pa-subscribe. We love you by the way, guys. Guys, if naman... Guys, bigyan nyo siya ng meat, guys.
Ayun nga. Ganun makakabinday.
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna eat my chips. Sab, kala ko ikaw sa pagkain. Di ba, Matt?
Oo. Hinilp ko nga din.
Sab!
Yan na. Ayun na siya, kuya. Ayun na siya. Hinilp ko din, dear.
Malang ka. Ano gagawa? Wait lang.
Hindi. Ano, night pa. Uy, may alpha wolves. Kill it.
Dear Jesus. Oh, thank you, bro. Hindi tayo magugutom is 2 araw. Hi, hotel ko to.
Dali, ba rin yun?
Uy,
Ba rin mo?
bilis! Cook na natin to.
Bigyan mo.
Yung nga, pagkain natin to, bro.
Bro, ayun na. Tignan niya na, dear. May naamoy siya. Binigay ko sa Go, attack, dear, attack, go.
Be a good boy at kagatin mo yun. At saksakin mo yan, bisit na.
Yun, sasasignan mo lang. Guys.
Tanong ko, lalaki ba yun? Bat?
Bat.
Lalaki ba yun? Babae? Lalaki babae? Isip ka babae.
The deer got revenge.
Addict! Ay.
Ano daw sabi?
Yes, sab-sab. Protect ka ng deer.
Well, I just... Golden chest! Gold chest! Gold chest, bro!
Oo nga. Mahimik ka na lang.
Masisipa kita sa dahon. Iron body na kuha ko, bro.
Ako sa food, kuya.
Iron body. Ikaw ano kuha mo?
Gusto ng bandage.
Sab-sab, anong kukuha niya yan? Bro, stuck ako. Bro, anong gender yung ram? Lalaki, babae?
Malamang. Wala.
Eh di, etong...
Ay, quest complete.
Eh di, etong bagong enemy na to, babae.
Ha?
Etong bagong enemy natin, babae.
Okay ba siya?
At, di ba pag lalaki, aawayin dapat lalaki. At babae, aawayin babae. Eh di babae yan.
Yan nga yung bat. Eto.
At duling pa.
Kuya, saan kayo?
Bibidyo ko. Shoot na natin shield.
Tara.
Lang. Wala naman, bro. Wala nang
Kuya,
bala.
yusho.
Nag-init yung kayo dyan. Ang init.
Mama, nag-vlog kami. Tuloy. Sorry guys of my mother. She's very unique. Ready ko ba sabihin? Ready? Uy, wolf pelt mat. Ano dito? Ah! Go! Balik bro! Please bro! Bro! Oh, thank you. Ako na. Ikaw na sa ano? Ako na sa pagkain.
Teacher, wag mo na ito. Uubusan.
Shut up! Sorry guys. I am low tempered. Matthew, sa'yo na yung wolf pelt
Okay.
May dalawa naman akong wolf pelt Ito na wolf pelt ko. Sarap.
May team na tayo. Deer.
Ha?
May team na tayo, deer.
Every ano yun, di ba? Every cultist fight?
Ha?
Every cultist fight.
Oo.
Sorry guys,
Yung deer, protect kayo sa kultis. Pag binata ka ng kultis, protect ka ng deer.
oh guys, I'm gonna face reveal soon. After the third video. This is our second video. And see you like next week. See you next week. Bye bye. We love you. Say bye bye. Ready?
Bye-bye, guys!
Bye bye. We love you.
Tara, nabalik.